Is this live?
Not
Hello?
yet?
Mom! Mama!
Yes,
Hello?
it's live. It has been for a long time.
Mama!
Okay, go.
Hello, Mama! Mama! I'm here. So we are here in, where are we again? Portugal.
It's Remco.
It's Remco. My name is Remco, and
This is
I'm here for
the last take. After this, I'm going to get Russell to punch you in the mouth. Okay. Okay, go. You're on.
no, I'm done.
Well, okay, I'll do it for you. This is Remco from the Netherlands. It's his second World Cup. He thinks he's in Portugal. And hello, Mum, and all that, yeah?
Okay, so yesterday I had a really nice flight. Unfortunately, when we went all the way up at 2.5 grand, they cancelled the task. So today is another day, and we'll see if we can race again.
And how have you enjoyed the competition thus far?
Yes, I have really enjoyed it. I learned a lot from my mistakes, so I made really bad ones. That's why I'm not doing so well, point-wise, but otherwise I'm having a lot of fun.
Okay, well, best luck for the rest of the competition.
Thank you.